The 2 Tyres Guide to the Avon Roadrider Mk2. Avon make a great range of motorcycle tires but are perhaps best known for their classic bike rubber. If you ride a true classic or even a modern retro and you want a tire with a basic tread pattern but high-tech levels of performance, the Roadrider Mk2 should be on your shortlist. It has a stiffer construction than the original Roadrider and a different compound rubber to improve its grip, especially in wet and cold conditions. The Roadrider Mk2 comes in a massive range of fitments. You can fit this to cruisers, off-roaders and obviously road bikes and classics. It's available in H-rated, up to 130 miles per hour, and V-rated, up to 149 miles per hour. All sizes can be run on tubeless rims, but you can also run tubes in these, with no issues. Good alternatives are Bridgestone's BT46 and Michelin's Road Classic. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.